over.
Oh, another one, man. It's massive. I'm gonna be quick with this one though. Same steering wheel, man. This thing's.
Just sitting in the car just feels amazing.
Yeah, these hard leather seats really help with that. These are comfortable. But my question is, just driving these. It's like driving. It's like driving any car. The SOS stuff. It's like same steering wheel. You know, gear limit. You good? Buttons in the back. VR. Yeah.
Same shit.
Yep.
Just different color.
Yep.
I haven't tried that one.
Oh yeah, I haven't tried that one either. That's right. Yeah, I skipped that one. I don't know why. But I'm running out of storage on my phone though.
How much you got?
I had 117 gigabytes. I'm trying to hurry up though. So yeah. This is nice though.